Imagine waking up in 2025 to a world in chaos. Bitcoin, the cornerstone of the cryptocurrency revolution, has failed. Billions of dollars wiped out overnight. Markets are spiraling out of control. Investors are in shock, asking the same question: what happens next? Bitcoin has been hailed as digital gold, a safe haven in uncertain times, and the future of money itself. But even this financial juggernaut is not invincible. What would happen if the unthinkable occurred and Bitcoin collapsed completely?
My pants are on fire! The underwear's on fire! I'm on fire!
What would it mean for global markets, for governments, and for everyday investors? In this video, we are diving deep into this hypothetical yet chilling scenario. We will explore how Bitcoin could fail, the devastating consequences it would have, and the lessons we could learn from such a disaster. Stick around, because the surprising twist at the end might just change the way you think about money forever. To understand the impact of Bitcoin's failure, we need to examine how it could happen. Despite its reputation for security and resilience, Bitcoin has vulnerabilities that could bring it crashing down. One of the most significant threats is a catastrophic hack. Bitcoin operates on blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that is widely regarded as one of the most secure systems ever created. But as technology advances, so do the tools of hackers. By 2025, quantum computing could become powerful enough to crack Bitcoin's encryption. Imagine this. A hacker, or perhaps a rogue government, uses quantum technology to gain control of the Bitcoin network. They rewrite transaction histories, steal billions of dollars in Bitcoin, and undermine the system's integrity. Trust in Bitcoin, the very foundation of its value, would disappear overnight. Another potential risk is global regulation. While Bitcoin operates outside the control of any government, that does not mean governments are powerless against it. What if the world's largest economies, the United States, China, and the European Union, decided to ban Bitcoin outright? They could shut down exchanges, freeze crypto-related bank accounts, and criminalize its use. Without legal infrastructure to support it, Bitcoin's value could plummet to zero. Then there is technological obsolescence. Bitcoin was revolutionary when it launched in 2009, but technology evolves quickly. Bitcoin is slow, energy-intensive, and expensive compared to newer blockchain technologies. If a faster, more efficient, and environmentally friendly cryptocurrency emerged, Bitcoin could become irrelevant. These scenarios may sound extreme, but history is full of once dominant systems brought down by better alternatives, regulatory changes, or unforeseen vulnerabilities. If Bitcoin failed, the consequences would ripple across the globe. If Bitcoin collapsed in 2025, the economic fallout would be enormous. Let us start with the direct financial loss. By 2025, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies could represent trillions of dollars in global assets. If Bitcoin were to fail, that wealth would evaporate overnight. Millions of investors, from institutional giants to small-time traders, would face devastating losses. The ripple effects would not stop there. Bitcoin is deeply interconnected with traditional finance. Many banks, hedge funds, and even pension plans hold Bitcoin as part of their investment portfolios. If Bitcoin's value plummeted, these institutions would scramble to cover their losses. This could trigger a massive sell-off in other asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate, creating a financial crisis that echoes across global markets. The collapse of Bitcoin would also destroy the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bitcoin is not just another digital currency, it is the backbone of the entire market. Altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano rely on Bitcoin's stability and liquidity. If Bitcoin failed, these projects would likely collapse as well, taking down countless blockchain initiatives in the process. And then there's the psychological impact. Bitcoin's failure would shatter investor confidence. If a technology as groundbreaking as Bitcoin can fail, what does that say about the rest of the financial system? People might start withdrawing money from banks, selling off stocks, and hoarding cash out of fear. This loss of trust could create long-term instability, making it even harder for markets to recover. Now, let us take a moment to look at the potential silver lining in this hypothetical disaster. Because even in the darkest scenarios, there is room for hope. A Bitcoin collapse could pave the way for innovation. Just like the dot-com bubble gave rise to tech giants like Amazon and Google, Bitcoin's failure could inspire the next generation of digital currencies. Developers might create faster, more secure, and more energy-efficient cryptocurrencies that solve the problems Bitcoin could not. Governments and financial institutions might also learn from Bitcoin's collapse. Central banks could develop their own digital currencies, combining the efficiency of blockchain technology with the stability of traditional money. These central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, could make transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure for everyone. And finally, a Bitcoin collapse could make investors smarter. It would serve as a harsh but valuable lesson about the importance of diversification. People would be less likely to put all their money into a single risky asset, opting instead for balanced portfolios that spread risk across multiple investments. In the long run, these changes could lead to a more stable, innovative, and inclusive financial system. So, what would happen if Bitcoin failed in 2025? The consequences would be catastrophic. Billions of dollars would be lost. Markets would spiral into chaos. Millions of people would face financial ruin. The collapse of Bitcoin would send shockwaves across the globe, shaking the foundations of both the crypto world and traditional finance. But from this disaster could come a brighter future. Better technologies, stronger financial systems, and smarter investors could rise from the ashes, paving the way for a more resilient economy. What do you think? Could Bitcoin actually fail, or is it too big to fall? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We have more thought-provoking content coming your way, including what happens if artificial intelligence takes over Wall Street. Spoiler alert, it is not pretty. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.